YouTube? It's your boy Bradah Smokey back at you. About to head out to Best Buy, man, because, you know, as you guys already know, my fucking battery be dying, man. That should be pissing me the fuck off. Because, you know, I got my footage, but damn, I didn't realize that my shit died. So I'm going to Best Buy right now. Hopefully they got, you know, like more batteries. So I just buy like a couple of them bitches. Keep it with me at all times, just in case that bitch dies, you know, pull over, slap that bitch inside, and call it a day. So yeah, we're about to do that. It's fuck, it looks like it's nice out, I mean, but it's fucking, to most people here, it's fucking cold, man. It's cold, man. It's like I want to say 29 degrees right now, but that shit don't really faze me, you know, just put on a sweater. Today I got some I got long pants today, so you know it's getting a little bit chillier because, you know, as you guys already know, I already be riding with them shorts on. So you ever see me with these pants, it means it's cold as fuck, or not cold as fuck, but you know, on the colder side. So yeah, we're about to head out to this Best Buy and see what's up. I can't be having these videos of mine just be cutting out like that, so you know, we gotta take care of that problem so that, you know, that problem does not happen again. You know what I'm saying? Black Friday coming out, man. Hope you guys get your shopping list ready because, you know, got them deals, man. Gotta get them deals, man. So get it ready, man. So yeah, man, hopefully these bitches got it. Because like I said, man, I'm tired of my shit be dying. Always be dying at the worst fucking times. And, you know, I don't want to just end my video like the last one with, oh shit, sorry, my fucking GoPro died. I wasn't able to, you know, put my exiting, whatever. So, you know, hopefully today you can get that problem solved. If not, then I'm fucking slap a bitch or something.
1 hour later.
Alright, so that was a fail. I went inside Best Buy and they have shit for like GoPro Hero 6s and 7s, like the batteries and shit, but fuck, not for the 4s. I got a GoPro Hero 4 black. The reason why I got down instead of like the 5 or 6 is because realistically they do basically the same thing. It's just that the only thing that's different is that it's called a GoPro Hero 4. So yeah, fuck, I just got the 4. I mean, it's not that big a difference, so whatever. But now, since we didn't find it, gonna go check out Batteries Plus, man. And I'm pretty sure Battery Plus is gonna have it. I looked online, like I said, and they had it. So it's not like the actual GoPro it's not the actual GoPro brand, but it's universal, so whatever. So yeah, man, we be on our way to Batteries Plus, man. Motherfuckers better have it, because if they don't got it, I'm gonna have to test my patience with online, because I need that shit, man. Yeah, man, Black Friday coming up, man. Coming up, man, real quick. Black Friday is a time of the year to save that money, get them early Christmas shopping action going, man, so that when Christmas time actually comes, you know, you got your shit, you know, you got it for cheap. So, you know, that's what it's for, man. That's what it's for. You know, electronics, TVs, shit. You guys ain't got no PS4, Xbox One, you guys can get it for $200, man. Black Friday, instead of like 300, get it for 200. Shit come with like a game and shit. Yeah, man, any of you guys all play, or if any of you guys all got PS4, you guys play Call of Duty, Black Ops, hit me up, man. Send me a message. My PS name is Bradah Smokey, same as my stuff. So yeah, send me a message, man, we can get down. I play with my brother and shit, and you know, we play that new Blackout one, and it's just legit, man. So if you guys want to get down, shit, send me a message. We can make it happen, man. We can make it happen. I think the best places for Black Friday, man, if you guys not too familiar with it, is Best Buy, and of course Walmart, man. Best Buy, Walmart every year has got, you know, the best deals, you know, whether it's TVs or whatever, man. Whatever it is, you know, you guys got your guys' own house, you know, they got like washers and dryers and shit like that, you know, appliances, and the whole nine, man, the whole nine. See, I apologize for not uploading so much this past one, man, because you know, like I said, I was fucking busy. But I'll go back to my regular schedule. Like I said, I'll do it twice a week at least. Of course, if I'm not able to get it twice a week, which, you know, I doubt, but on the off chance that I'm not, it's probably because it was snowing the whole week, you know. I mean, maybe that's when I'll start using maybe I'll start doing like some workout months or something, you know, when it's fucking shitty ass weather. That way, you know, I can get something up there, you know what I'm saying? Batteries Plus, man. There she is. There she is. Bitches better have my shit, man. Bitches better have my shit. GameStop, man. Oh, you gamblers out there, GameStop is like the motherland for you. I don't know if you guys remember, but before GameStop used to be Software Etc., man. That used to be the GameStop back then. Now they got a GameStop, but yeah, like I said, Software Etc. They used to be the shit. But I guess they got bought out and changed the name.
1 hour later.
So of course, I go inside Battery Plus. Don't fucking got. This is starting to become a scavenger hunt, man. Yeah, I don't want to do a scavenger hunt today, man. Fuck. So we're gonna try another one. We'll try another one. We'll try one more. See how that shit goes. So off to another Batteries Plus, man. But I seriously don't want to fucking go, but I gotta get this shit done, man. I gotta get this shit done. Can't be fucking around with this GoPro, man. Fuck. My girl told me it's good to get one before I even started vlogging and shit, but man, I don't know what it is, but I got a hard time listening sometimes. Fuck. I don't know if it's just a pride thing or if I'm just disobedient or what. I just got a hard time listening sometimes, man. About to go in that bitch and they better fucking have it, man. They better fucking have it. I'm tired of looking at every fucking place, man. We'll see. Damn. That's it. I swear they had this at the other one. It's fucking assholes. This one works though, yeah? This one works though, yeah? See if they got any more of these. Yeah. You guys have the old? I think we found it. We found it. Ah, that's alright, man. As long as you guys got one. That's cool. Alright, man, so we fucking got that shit, man. We fucking got that shit. That's it right there. That is the universal battery for my fucking GoPro. They only had one, but hey, man, I just need one for now. Then I'll get another one for my girl just in case. But yeah, man, fuck. We're in 3 different motherfucking places, man. Damn. We got it done. So now I'm gonna head out. I gotta head out back to my house because my mother's not feeling well and she's gonna grab my kids from the baby mama, but nah, I don't look like she'll be able to do that. So head back to the house. Probably come out right out later tonight. Gonna go back to the gym tonight, so probably get a little something. But those motherfuckers in those assholes, man. I would just take it out of his hand. Give me a fine for you. I was like, what the fuck? You can't just look in your computer for shit that work for like GoPros? What the fuck is wrong with you, man? You guys can't be that limited, bro. I mean, you work there, man. You should know that. You should know what you got. You should know how to find shit. Like, you don't need my battery for you to find something, man. Just type it in your fucking computer, you know? GoPro compatibility. Damn, how hot is that? I don't even work there, man. I don't even work there. Fuck. Now I know all of y'all wondering why I let my girl do it on her own and why I not get off my bike and help her. Alright, the reason is because I want her to fucking try. She don't try, and because she's not trying, man, I'm gonna have her do it. And you know, she's gonna be upset, but all she gotta do is try. She just gotta try and then realize that she can do it because it's flat ground. And she won't have to be doing this. When there's like a hill, oh, hey, you best believe I will be over there helping her. But since there's no hill, she just don't want to try, so fuck, I don't know, it's just frustrating, but whatever. So yeah, we headed out. We are headed the fuck out. If my audio sucks, man. I just ordered my chin guard, that fucking net, so it kind of, hopefully it'll cancel out some outside noise. You know, I'm hoping it'll do that, but until that bitch comes in, fuck, I'm gonna just have to make use of what I got. But like I said, yeah, I ordered that bitch, just gotta wait for it to come in, and then, you know, hopefully the audio gets better. Brother was giving me shit, man, last night. We was playing Call of Duty, and that motherfucker was giving me shit because he's saying, like, in order to hear me, he gotta turn that shit up. But when he turns that shit up, he also hears my bike. So, you know, I don't know how to filter out the sound. You know, I mean, I can't really. I don't think so. Filter out the sound of my bike and just listen to the audio of my voice. So, I don't know. We'll see. But I think I'm hoping that the chin guard will help, you know, kind of keep out the noise from the outside and just whatever's inside the helmet kind of prioritize it. So we'll see, man, we'll see. Well, yeah, man, this will be it for my video for today. You know, I'm gonna go out again later tonight, so, you know, maybe I'll shoot another something, but, you know, I'm on my way home right now. Gotta grab my car and pick up my kids. So yeah, man, thanks for fucking watching. You know, like I said, today was just kind of a day to get this battery, so, you know, not too much going on, but, you know, I just wanted to throw out a something. But yeah, man, appreciate it. As always, you know, ride safe, stay on them two wheels, and get it, bro.